Attention! Welcome to the channel where we crack the code on military principles. These aren't just dusty old theories. These are battle-tested tactics, forged in the fires of real-world conflict. We're talking strategies, written in blood. The hard-earned lessons that can help you conquer any challenge life throws your way. So, buckle up, warriors. We're about to translate these powerful military concepts into actionable steps you can use to dominate your everyday life. Let's turn those struggles into victories. Imagine the chaos of a battlefield, split-second decisions, unexpected attacks, and the sheer intensity of the situation demanding success. How do military leaders navigate this? Through meticulous planning. One leader who famously embodied this principle was General Dwight D. Eisenhower. Think about D-Day, the invasion of Normandy, a complex operation that required years of planning for every possible scenario. But the power of planning goes beyond just having a good strategy. That's exactly what we're unpacking today. The principle of plan is nothing. Planning is everything. It's the process itself that equips you to handle anything life throws your way. So, let's dive in and see how it can transform your approach to challenges. What does this mean for you? Here's the key takeaway. The planning process itself equips you to handle the unexpected. Think about it when you meticulously plan. You, first, identify potential problems. This allows you to develop solutions and backup options before facing them head-on. Second, sharpen your decision-making skills. Analyzing different scenarios strengthens your ability to make quick and effective choices under pressure. Third, boost your confidence. A well-thought-out plan gives you a sense of control and direction, even when things get messy. Okay, let's get real. How can you apply this principle to your daily life? Whether you're an ambitious professional or someone seeking self-improvement, planning can be your superpower. Here are some actionable tips. Set smart goals. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This provides a clear roadmap for your plans. Break down large tasks. Don't get overwhelmed by big projects. Chunk them into smaller, manageable steps with deadlines. Identify potential roadblocks. This is where the real power of planning kicks in. Military leaders don't just hope for the best. They anticipate challenges through a process called wargaming. This involves asking tough questions and considering every possible what-if scenario. Let's take a military example. Imagine a patrol on their way back to base. Here are some what-if questions they might ask themselves. What if the enemy attacks us on our route? This could lead to planning an alternative route, setting up ambushes, or having a quick reaction force on standby. What if we encounter unexpected enemy forces? This might involve having a predetermined communication plan for reinforcements, or having a designated fallback position. What if we suffer casualties during the mission? Medical supplies, evacuation procedures, and assigning roles for medics would be crucial here. What if someone triggers a landmine? Soldiers would be trained in mine detection, have designated safe paths, and carry appropriate medical supplies. By anticipating these challenges and having a plan in place, the patrol significantly increases their chances of success and minimizes potential losses. Just like military leaders, you can use what-if scenarios to anticipate potential roadblocks in your own plans. For example, if you're planning a big presentation at work, what if my technology fails? Have a backup plan for presenting without your slides. What if I get nervous and forget my lines? Practice beforehand. Use note cards and have a colleague in the wings who can help. What if there are tough questions from the audience? Anticipate potential questions and prepare clear, concise answers. Remember, planning isn't about predicting the future perfectly. It's about being prepared for whatever life throws your way. And last but not least, review and refine. Plans are not set in stone. Regularly review your progress and adapt your plans as needed. Let's see how bad planning can turn a fun trip into trouble. Imagine you and your friends are planning a weekend camping trip. You know there's a chance of rain, predictable. So you throw some cheap plastic ponchos in the car, just in case. But that's where the planning stops. No one checks the weather forecast for the specific location. No one packs actual rain gear. And there's no backup plan in case the campsite floods, which it turns out happens sometimes based on historical data, another predictable element. Surprise! A massive downpour hits, turning your cheerful camping trip into a soggy mess. Your cheap ponchos rip, and you're all soaked and miserable. Now you're scrambling to find shelter or head back early, wasting precious time and money. See how a little more planning could have saved the day. By checking the forecast and potential weather patterns, you could have packed proper rain gear or chosen a campsite on higher ground. Having a backup plan, like alternative activities in case of bad weather, could have also kept the trip enjoyable. Remember, think of a plan like a flashlight. It doesn't light up the whole path, but it helps you navigate the darkness. All right, everyone. While a plan offers direction, the planning process equips you with the skills and foresight to conquer any challenge. For those who enjoyed this video, and for those who found it useful, don't be afraid to show some love by leaving a like and subscribing for more to unleash your inner strategist. Leave a comment below what's the worst thing that has happened due to poor planning. Until next time.